What's going on, guys? So as you can see, the wheels for the Rx7 actually did show up. I have not actually test fitted the rear axle with the wheels and tires on there yet. Based off measurements, I'm pretty positive it's gonna fit, and it should fit really good actually. I should be able to lower the Rx7 really far down with that back spacing. That back spacing is, so that's a 15 by 10 wheel with an 8.5 inch back spacing. And just based off my calculations, it should allow me to like tuck those small tires at 28 by 10.5s really well. I shouldn't have any issues with even being close to the fender at all, and I should be able to get the Rx7 nice and low. So yeah, that's the goal that I really want with this. I don't want the rear end all jacked up all crazy. I want it kind of like almost so there's no weird rake to it. So yeah, I'm going to now put the wheels on the rear axle and then jack up the rear of the Rx7 and then slide the rear axle under there and then slowly lower the rear down. So let's get to it. This video is just gonna be me trying out the wheels and tires, so just seeing if they're gonna fit and whatnot. So let's do it. I'm fucking excited. These were supposed to come, so we're supposed to end, but these wheels I ordered on the 17th and they said it's a 3 to 4 week wait on them and they're already here, so I'm fucking stoked. I was literally just complaining to Wyatt about it and here they are. They showed up today, so that's awesome. Oh yeah, that's so much better. It's pretty decently low. Obviously the jack's in the way, but oh, that's gonna be so sick. I probably will get some 15s. So these are 13s. They're not a very tall tire, but I'll probably get some 15s. So it'll bring the front up just a little bit, maybe, I'm not too sure. But I can live with how low that is. I might even be able to get it just a little bit lower. I still need to, if I jack it up, I'll show you guys, but I still need to cut out some of this. And then also there's like a little part of like a fender inside there, like a wheel well almost, that I don't have cut out either. So I can't really lower it down much more. And so also I may need to notch the frame if I go down any further. So I'm not really sure if I want to do that or not, but yeah, maybe a possibility. So I mean, that's pretty low, I think, at least. I can't really get far enough back to show you guys, but it's decently low for a 28 tall tire. So I really like it. At least I got those wheels to fit with it, so see how this looks from the rear. Shut this real quick. I'm still pretty happy with that. For just a budget 8.8, can't complain. Oh man, that makes me so happy. So obviously also, so it is hitting on the front just because of, I have them hitting on the front on the both sides. It has a little bit of room back here to come back, you know, in the middle, a little bit of room. But I'm probably going to I'm gonna have to end up probably cutting that a little bit on both sides, just so that way I don't have any issues of it rubbing when the tire expands on the top end. Man, that's so awesome. That makes me so excited. Those wheels actually fit. So I'm just sitting here and I can't get over how it looks. Just taking all kinds of pictures of it. Oh shit. God, it looks so good. Makes me so excited to actually get this thing done. You imagine with it just maybe like I could probably get it 2 to 3 inches lower, if not maybe a little bit lower than that. Basically a pro mod. That's so cool. Oh man. It's like my dreams are finally coming true. The 8-rotor RX7 life though. Wanted to do that real quick so I could take some pictures and make sure everything fits. So now I'm gonna jack the car back up, take them out, and then I'll show you guys what I can cut still to lower it maybe 3 more inches. So I didn't really want to cut this part, but to get it lower, which I really want, just because it's gonna look so crazy really low, I'm just gonna cut it and I'll just get the tubs and fit them all up. So yeah, let me take the rear axle back out and then I'll show you guys the part that I want to cut. All right, so this isn't gonna be the greatest of quality, but so this is what I was talking about that I need to cut out more of are these inner fender wells. So basically just gonna cut up here and all the way up. So, and then cut that whole piece out and also cut more of this out up here just to get it so I can lower it just a little bit more. And then also, God, it's so tight back here. But so also, it is gonna be really close to this frame rail down here. So I might have to notch this piece right here. So that way the axle can actually like move up and down without hitting on the frame rail. Yeah, real crappy video, but hopefully that makes sense to you guys. It's just a little inner fender well. Yeah, you can kind of see it like that. Just a little inner fender that I'm gonna chop out so that way I can lower it more. So that is gonna be the end of this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below what you guys think of the RX-7 and how it looks. Does it look dope as fuck? I think it looks dope as fuck. So let me know down below what you guys think. Like I said, I do want to try and lower it just that little bit more, even if it's only 2 inches more. It'll help a lot. And also I'll be getting some 15-inch wheels, so there'll be a little bit taller wheel up front, so that way it doesn't have a reverse rake to it or whatever it is, so the rear's not all jacked up. So yeah, let me know guys what you guys think down below in the comments. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully you guys liked this quick little video I put together of mocking up the new wheels and tires for the RX-7. So it's gonna be cool. And then now that I have the wheels and tires, I can go ahead and start making the 4-link and trimming up all the little pieces that I need to still, and then make all the 4-link stuff and then do all the tub and all that, and then get it hopefully driving here pretty quick. So yeah, I'm really excited, and it's really cool and really motivating to see how low it's gonna sit in 192. So yeah, also for people who don't follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, be sure to check that out, because I do post on that earlier than I make videos, obviously. So people who have me on Instagram or on Snapchat have already been commenting like, where's the video, when's the video gonna be out? So be sure to check me out on Instagram. It's just Metigulous, I'll put it down below. So Snapchat's just Hayden J. Wilson. So yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, see ya.